Hello everyone, welcome back to Life in UAE Vlog. If you are wondering why am I showing you the fridge is because today's video is all about refrigerator. See my messy and dirty fridge. I kept all the vegetables and green leaves as it is. I got it from the grocery store in a single-use plastic bag. You can find watermelon marks everywhere inside the fridge. So in today's video, I will show you how I arranged my fridge and also how we can keep the vegetables and green leaves fresh for a very long time, and also how to avoid bad odor in the fridge. I will empty my fridge and remove these holders as well. Once they are cleaned, we can attach them back. I am cleaning all the corners of the fridge. Not only the plates, even the corners also we need to clean. And this is the bottom part of the fridge which gets dirty very soon. If anything spills in the fridge, it gets stored here. So need to clean and wipe it very well. Cleaning is done and the holders are also attached back. You can see the glasses are very clean and clear, and those watermelon marks which were looking very dirty are gone now. The fridge is clean. Next and important part is how to keep the vegetables fresh for a long time. Here I am using this strainer to wash the vegetables. Once the water is dried, I will put them back in the fridge. This is the vegetable storing containers. I purchased this for around 8 AD from Day to Day Abu Dhabi. This container has a strainer. Even if the water is there on the vegetable, it gets stored at the bottom of this container. We can set the month and date here. The big circle is for the date setting and the small white circle is for the month settings, so that we'll know when we purchased these vegetables. These are very useful containers. We can make them airtight also by closing this small hole on the lid. I purchased plastic containers, but glass containers are also available. If you don't have small children who operate the fridge, it's better to use glass container. If you are using half portion like half tomato or half chili, the remaining portion also can be stored in these containers that will stay fresh for a very long time. Instead of keeping that portion open in the fridge, if you keep in these containers, that will stay fresh for a long time. Now let me show you how I store my green leaves like coriander and mint. Before storing, discard the rotten leaves, remove the roots and wash them well. These containers are especially designed for storing leaves. These containers also have strainer inside. If you store in this way, it's going to stay fresh for a long time, and whenever you need them, we can use them directly for cooking. It saves the cooking time. I have stored coriander, mint and lettuce in these containers, which I use for my daily cooking and for preparing salads. If you store in this way, the green leaves are going to stay fresh for a long time, and we can use them directly whenever we need them. I can't believe my messy fridge looks like this now, clean and neat. I took around 3 to 4 hours to do this. Now let's talk about how to avoid bad odor in the fridge. Bad odor is mainly due to 2 reasons. One is milk, the other one is egg. If milk spilled in the fridge or broken egg is kept in the fridge for a long time, bad odor starts coming out. To avoid this, we can use lemons. Cut the lemon into small pieces and keep it in the fridge. After some time, you will notice that the bad odor is reduced. That's all for today. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.